Understanding cylinder volume, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating mathematical concept, cylinder volume. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, understanding this concept is incredibly useful in various fields. Let's dive in and make learning both fun and informative. Before we talk about cylinder volume, let's understand what a cylinder is. Imagine a can of soda. That's a perfect example of a cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with two parallel and congruent circles at the top and bottom, connected by a curved surface. The line segment joining the centers of the two circles is called the axis of the cylinder. Now, let's understand what we mean by volume. Volume is the measure of how much space an object occupies. It's like figuring out how much water can fill a container without overflowing. In mathematics, calculating volume helps us understand the capacity of different shapes and objects. To find the volume of a cylinder, we use a simple formula. Volume equals pi times r squared times h. Here, pi is a constant approximately equal to 3.14. R is the radius of the circular base, and h is the height of the cylinder. This formula tells us how much space is inside the cylinder. Let's apply our knowledge with some real-life examples. Example 1. Calculating how much soda can fit in a can. Example 2. Figuring out the amount of water a cylindrical tank can hold. These examples show how understanding cylinder volume can be practical and useful in everyday life. Congratulations, you've just learned about cylinder volume. This concept is not only fundamental in mathematics but also has numerous practical applications. We hope this video has been enlightening and enjoyable. Keep exploring, and happy learning!